showing you how to make a YouTube video with OBS Studios, or there's probably some other good screen record. This is for screen records. Haven't done phone records yet. May get to that soon. Don't know when I'm getting it. But if we go to my channel right here, you see that I have a lot of videos. 29 to be exact. And some of you probably have a YouTube channel. You're like, how do I do it? Well, this is OBS right here. If you just go on the Microsoft Store, just have Microsoft Edit to Photoshop my thumbnail. You type it. You just need OBS Studios right here, and right here is OBS Studios. You just gotta download it, and the easiest way to do it. Sometimes it doesn't work for me, but for me it doesn't pop up right here. I just don't know why. But I'm pretty sure it comes with OBS if you get Windows. So it should already be installed. Oh, what the heck? I did not mean to go down there. But you're going to want to download that. Then you're going to need to get Microsoft Clipchamp, because this video is for Microsoft Clipchamp. So open it. You're gonna have to, I'm pretty sure, create an account right there. I can't show export because it has my email. But we can go into files. Right here, create new video. And create new video, start from scratch. You're either going to want to do the one down there or do this. You're going to want to click on it. And we get this pop up. Now you're going to want to go to import media. And you're just going to want to find some video. I got to delete this real quick. No. So I attempted that. Attempted this before. Delete. So I'm not going to upload this. But how about let's do this video? Let's see what it is. And it's a I'm pretty sure it's my hypothetical Hurricane Oscar. So go check that out. So you're gonna wanna select your time frame in the video where you wanna cut. You're gonna wanna click split. You're gonna wanna select this. Go right here and click delete. And just do it with both times you do that. Oh no, it's Gordon. And something else you can do, a really good strat I use is going here. You have a time frame where I want to edit out in the video and doing that. Something else you can do is you don't click delete when you split it. And you're going to want to find the other part you want to edit out. So let's just say I want to edit out this chunk of a video. You're going to want to cut again, and you'll have a square in the middle. Click it and just click delete. And you can also add videos. Like, I gotta find one. Let's just open this. So now we have a soundtrack in it. You can also shorten it and lengthen. So if you can do that, this will happen. I would rather if I did anything. I don't know what that was. Same with me. But you're gonna want to do that, and let's just delete that from the timeline. Or you can just put it up there. Don't delete it. You can move these to wherever you want, and let's just add text. So you have all of these. I don't have the premium. Hopefully I can get that soon. And so we have this right here. The purple line shows you the perfect spot. You can also add transition. Transition, you can do any of these. But what you're going to want to do with the text is select it. And see, you get these options. You're going to, if you want to change the text color, you can. Personally, I'm going to go for Cat 4 Hurricane. If you've seen any of my hurricane videos, you'll know that whatever category hurricane it is in that video is what I'm putting up there. Also, the next one is going to be Ida 2022. Let's put it right in the middle. And this one right here, this one is a timer. We have that. I want to delete that. So that's the countdown timer. Oh yeah. In text, what I use all the time in my videos is the fade text. It's my favorite. So as you know, I'll do the color of the storm type. So we're going Cat 4 again. Background. And you can place this wherever you want. And let's just say the track of hurricane let's just say Carlota. Sorry about that. I had to do a new recording because my feet were near the cord of my PC and it shut down. So sorry, but let's get back in. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to click play and see. You can select anywhere. And we can actually change color. So, see that? And we can also do the speed. So we can make it 16 times. Don't do that. It's random. And then there is this stuff. And there's those options you can choose. And there's a bunch of stuff. So we can go like that, and let's watch this. And as you can see, it's going through, and 16 times speed is going through. And you can do way more, and you can title a video. And then you want to go to, if you want to fix the gap, you can. You don't have to. You're going to want to go to export and choose one of these. And if you have the premium, you can do 4K. But the free ones are 480 pixels for drafts, 720 pixels for smaller file, faster export, 1080 pixels, higher quality, 4K is the premium, and it's just, 4K, it's clean. And then there's GIF for videos 15 seconds or less. So if I was to make a 0-second video, then yeah. But the one that you usually gonna wanna choose if you don't have a 4K is the high quality. And then I can't go into here because it will show my email. And you don't want to, and I don't want to see my email. So you have to click upload to YouTube. There will be description on there. You'll have to put in description and other stuff, and you also have to put in keywords. And just probably the best thing to do is delete it from the description. So you can upload it from here, or this will be saved once that file comes up, and I have to restore. You have to go to, if you don't want to do that, you can go to channel studio, which is basically when you go to this and go to customize channel. And you're going to want to go to customize channel, and when you click that, it takes you to this. This video is actually, this video is still pending. No. And you're going to want to go to, I was looking for reviews. You got to go to create content. You're going to want to click upload videos. I want to go here and select files. Now go to videos, and whatever video you made, you're going to put that video in, and then once you select that video, like I'll do this, open, and title is required. So let's just do a bunch of random stuff. You can put whatever you want, and just that. If you want to go to upload files, if you want to make a thumbnail, you're going to want to go to pictures or screenshots, and sometimes gallery will have it. And you're going to want to find one, and it can't have 2 megabytes or over. So this one is 1.12. This one is 910 kilobytes, 18.2 kilobytes. But this one is 2.34 megabytes. Not able to do that. 3.11 megabytes, you can't do that. So what you'll have to do is, we'll just put a screenshot and just put it right there and do playlist. No, it's not made for kids. And delete your post, checks for copyright, and do that. And if you do public, right there, schedule, and go in here, do whatever time, and right here you have all these time dates for when it's published. And obviously, oh, it shows as a draft. And we have this. And I'm just going to delete it forever. But you're going to want to wait for it to append. And then it's going to be scheduled. If it's not paying path. So we'll do that. But anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. That's the tutorial on how to do and make YouTube videos with screen records. So if you find this helping, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment your favorite video of mine. So anyways, guys, that's it. Bye.